how to backup and recover WhatsApp messages on your WhatsApp application. This tutorial I will do with my Android phone, but you can always follow the same step on iOS, any device, and any OSs that WhatsApp officially support. So without further ado, let's go. First off, before we start this tutorial, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. First step is just to go to your WhatsApp application. Just fire it up from your mobile phone, and then from the dashboard, from the home screen, WhatsApp application, go to your three dots button on the top right, and then choose settings. And from the settings screen, all you have to do is go to your chats. Head on to the chat backup at the bottom. Then you can do a local backup or backup to your Google Drive. Okay, and all you have to do right now is just to click backup. And now all your chats have been backed up successfully to your Google Drive account and your local account. Now all you have to do to recover it is just to uninstall WhatsApp, for example, or clear the storage from your iPhone or from your Android device, and then reopen WhatsApp, agree to your terms, keep continuing until you can reach the recovery settings screen. Then all you have to do is just to give permission for WhatsApp to access your Google Drive and then let it restore your chat. And that's pretty much how you backup and recover messages on WhatsApp mobile application. As usual, if you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Techtricks to cover, also do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, hope it helps, goodbye and take care of you too.